So guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In case this happens to be your first time, make sure to like and subscribe. So breaking news, Elaine Thomson Herah responds to claims of being unapproachable and sassy as a celebrity in Jamaica amid her injury problem. So this is definitely a throwback moment. Jamaica's sprint icon and five-time Olympic champion Elaine Thomson Herah has addressed perceptions that she is unapproachable, attributing such opinions to her intense focus on training. Elaine Thomson Herah is known for her private nature and often serious demeanor. Thomson Herah has faced criticisms for appearing distant, particularly as she battles injury that have disrupted her last few sessions. Speaking candidly, the sprinter shed light on the reasons behind her perceived aloofness during a discussion with Asaf Abor and his wife Alicia on their YouTube channel. Elaine Thomson Herah explained how her rigorous schedule and the pressure of elite competitions shaped her demeanor. Now, Elaine Thomson Herah said, "A lot of people say that I am unapproachable, and I think I know the reason. They might say that the world is a serious world where I wake up at 4:25 in the morning. Who want to wake up that early? When I go to practice, it is a hard day. You do not want to speak because you want to save energy for the 300, 150, or whatever you have. It gives you that fierceness. It gives you that fierceness and that stainess, and it makes you serious," she added, acknowledging how this intensity may come across others. Elaine Thomson Herah went on saying that sometimes we are not in the mood from the get-go. We are all human. Some people get that from me a lot. Like, they do not know how Ellen is like or what they expect from me. But we are all human. Even as a celebrity, I am still human. I have mood swings and bad days, she noted. So guys, that was what Elaine Thomson Herah has to say about people complaining about her character and how she behaved, especially the Jamaican people. Let me know your opinion in the comment section. Let me hear what you have to say about Elaine Thomson Herah.